What is JavaScript?
JavaScript is a widely used programming language that brings interactivity and dynamic features to websites. Unlike HTML and CSS, which structure and style web pages, JavaScript allows websites to respond to user actions, update content instantly, and create engaging experiences. It runs directly in your internet browser, enabling quick interactions without needing to reload the page.
Why is JavaScript used in web development?
Developers use JavaScript to make websites come alive, from interactive forms and real-time search suggestions to video players and animated graphics. JavaScript powers many elements you interact with online. Its flexibility means it can be used for simple tasks like button clicks or more complex applications like online games and full-featured web apps.
How does JavaScript work?
JavaScript code is written into web pages and executed by your web browser. When you visit a website, the browser automatically reads and runs the JavaScript, resulting in effects like pop-up messages, drop-down menus, or automatically changing content. This client-side execution makes interactions fast and responsive, improving user experience.
JavaScript's essential role in websites.
Nearly every modern website uses JavaScript. Without it, sites would be static and less engaging. Alongside HTML and CSS, JavaScript makes up the core technology of the web. Its ability to update content, handle user input instantly, and communicate with servers transforms ordinary pages into fully interactive applications.
Getting started with JavaScript.
If you're interested in web development, learning JavaScript is a great first step. It's supported by all major browsers, features simple syntax for beginners, and unlocks countless possibilities for creativity and innovation on the web. Starting with the basics, you can gradually explore its powerful features as your skills grow.